All right, welcome to another episode from the Chart Reader. So this is going to be a little bit on the quicker side. I'm trying to squeeze one in before a meeting, but super important things happening right now, okay? Whenever I make my videos, I normally do regular hours, okay? To me, it's all about regular hours. However, there is some crazy shit happening right now on NVIDIA and after hours. The really major thing, let me just go to the monthly, like I don't even know why. We are in all-time highs now. We have broken our and again, it has to do it in the close of the regular, right? But we've smashed 333 and you can see it hitting 360s, right? There is no better place than all-time highs. But what really to me matters is, again, when the tide rises, all the boats go up as well. What does that mean? Look, NVIDIA is crushing it. It is doing this, again, look at the difference between the regular day, look it down here, and this, and why is that? Because of AI. It's all about AI. I've been saying it for a minute now. Look, I'm no genius. A lot of people have been saying it, right? Like the shit. I'm very well aware. But like AI is the truth here. I don't think the hype is dead. Clearly, Nvidia is not a stock that's supposed to pop 20%. That's not what it does. When you break all-time highs, when you drop earnings and like, oh man, it is not over here. But more than anything, what's happening, the tides are lifting. Again, we're looking at post-market. Look what regular looked like. Nothing special. There's a little bit more dramatic ones, but the tide is lifting. Let's look at SoundHound real quick. Look at this post-market. Looks like we're breaking out of the moving averages. This morning, I remember seeing it kiss the 8 moving average and getting like the tide is lifting and all the boats are rising. Bullfrog, one more time, post-market, are we gonna smash this and fly again? Regular hours look like we were about to lose it and die, right? The tide is lifting, people. BBAI, last one for now. Post-market looking beautiful. Regular hours look like shit, right? Like this is what we've been looking for, right? So monster. And again, it's all NVIDIA. It's all AI. The hype is not dead. Oh my goodness. I'm excited to make Thursdays, which is tomorrow, the normal deeper one. So I wanted to throw this in. I got to jump onto a call in a few seconds is what this thing is telling me. Hey, I appreciate you all so much. Have a beautiful day.